Okay, there was a mention of knurling the backside and knurling the side on the part that fits on there. This drawing doesn't call this out, so I don't know. So we're going to leave it the way it is, and if it fails on me or spins on me, I'll knurl it then. But I have, we're gonna face off the back side of this and then try to shift it over 218 thousandths and turn the back side. So here we go. Come on. There we go. All right. So now we're going to clamp on the back side of this, and hopefully let's see, I'm going to clamp on the big diameter first. And get this big chunk off of there, and then we'll clamp on the other side of it. Safety glasses on. Let's put the regular facing tool in. There's a hole in this part way up, so get some of this stuff out of the way before it slings it at me. See if I can take a measurement here. the measurement. And then overall is supposed to be 600 thousandths. And the overall is 770. So we'll type that in here. 0.77. Ah. $770. And it is 704. We got 700. That's close enough. And we want to go to 600. So I'm going to go to 624. And then we'll take a 25 thou pass. It's actually running pretty true here. So, that should do it. That should do it for there. So we can take that out now because we have to turn it back to, and plus we're going to have the 4-jaw in. Let's see. .602, close enough. So now we want the 4-jaw. So let's take this and crank this in a ways like that. Open this up. Hit the E-stop. Take these dumb glasses off. I'm squinting to see. Hammer. Notice I didn't, I hesitated on leaving that there, the chuck key. I do not like leaving the chuck key in there for no reason at all. There we go. Take this off. And 4-jaw up here. Okay, now we're going to have an indicator on that. Okay. Trying to figure out how I'm going to dial this in. Well, I know what I could do is scribe a mark on there, put the pointer in there, and bring it in to it, and carefully pick up the point, or that scribe line. So I think that's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to dikem it up. Get some dikem. All this can gets so tight. Just like that. And this is 1" 250, so that would be 218 times 2, correct? 218 times 2, so it would be 456, right? 4, no, 436, 436. So we set this at 436. Like that. Like that. That's the center, huh? Yeah, that's the center of it. 436. All right. We shall see if that's right or not. So, we're going to put this in here. Back this out. Bring this in. We need a dead center now. All right, we're not on the mark, but we're up against it to where we can see where the mark should be. Okay. So, it's got to go that way. So we'll snug this one up. Little more. I think this is going to work. Think about 25 or 30 more. Right there. Still on the mark. They just feel like they're a little, like they're given a little bit. Let's see what it does when I, oops. Well, that looks right. Here we go. That back there. There. Yeah, we'll use this one now. And my glasses. Okay. Now, we want to go in 375 thousandths. It's looking right. If it ain't right, it should be right. Now, let's not go too much now. That should be a 750 diameter out there. Should be 750, and it's still not close. This should be 876 now. Oh, it's just about cleaned up all the way around. Let's see. What do we got here? It should be 876. That's 875. If you don't believe me, you can see 875. So we want to go to 750, right? So we'll take it into 770. All right, here we go. 750. And then 375 and then feed out. There we go. Now, we need a hole through that. And the hole should be 280. About 281 diameter all the way through. And nope. I'm looking for a medium-sized center drill here. Here we go. Like this. It's a number 3 center drill. Now this goes all the way through. I don't know when it stopped. We're taking our finished pass. That should make it right there, and that should be it. Yep. Ta-da! So now we can take it out of there. Oh boy. Crushed the end of it when I squeezed it too hard. Remember I was saying that it felt like it was crushing it? It was. See if I can take and sand or file that down. I'll file these down. As long as it fits in that bore, that's... Because this surface would seal anyway. That was a good idea. It just didn't pan out though. What I should have did, no, I couldn't. I was going to say I could have put it in a 5C collet, but I'd have had to mount the block. I'd have had to mount the collet block in here and offset it, and that would have, well, that would have worked. It would have worked much better than this. All right, let's see if it'll fit in the hole. Yep, fits in the hole. Fits up tight against it. But why is this so much bigger than this? I don't think it's supposed to be. You can clamp it up like that and then mill these off. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let me look in the book here and see what it's supposed to look like. Or let's open the page up to the right page. Yeah, it looks like it's sticking up above. Well, darn it anyway. Well, anyway, we've got this done to the point where now we can mount it on here like that and transfer those holes. We'll have to drill or tap these holes first. Tap these holes. They are tapped. Okay. So how are we going to, well, we can put those holes in. Let's see, something like that. Well, we'll figure it out. We have to sit at an angle on here, and we have to sit at an angle on here and put the holes in it. I'll figure it out. Anyway, that's going to be it for today, and we'll catch you guys on the next go around. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.